Hello Adventurion people. We enjoy cooking very much, especially to cook something interesting, something unique, something special. And on this camping I want to make flatbread pizza. But to justify, we first need to go for a hike. Shall we? Let's go. On Gosford.
Yep.
Welcome to the highest mountain of southern Quebec. Okay, we are back. It was very interesting, not easy hike, but we are ready to cook. Now let's make flatbreads. We are going to make 8 flatbread pizzas. I start by stirring half cup of water with 8 grams of yeast and 2 tablespoons of flour. Let it stand till bubbly for about 5 minutes. Then I dump this mixture into a pot and add 2 more cups of flour, which was already pre-mixed with 3/4 teaspoon of salt. At this moment I add approximately half cup of chopped green onions and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. While mixing, I continue adding water till the dough starts to come together. Then I transfer the dough to the well-floured cutting board and continue kneading. In 2-3 minutes the dough becomes smooth, and at this moment I lightly oil the same pot and transfer the dough to it. It was more oil than I planned, but it's okay, the result will be still good. Cover the pot with the lid and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour the dough should double in size, even though it was pretty cold outside. Then I shaped the dough into a ball and cut it into 8 equal pieces. I found this nice miniature rolling pin which has a perfect size for this task. With the dough circle ready, fry it on the pan till perfection. Somebody likes it lightly browned, somebody a bit burned. Choose your own style. Repeat the process 7 more times. When all flatbreads are ready, it's time to transform them into pizzas. The idea for the topping I took from Chef John. Please check out his video. First I layer the thin slices of prosciutto, then I cover it with campfire fried pieces of pineapple. Drizzle with a bit of olive oil and add a bit more salt. And please don't skip this step, the additional salt is the key here. What is left is to enjoy with friends this delicious and well-deserved flatbread pizza. This brings us to the end of this adventure. But I am absolutely looking forward to seeing you again in the next video.